Бүгін біз осы тарихи тізімді UFC-дің барлық уақыттағы ең үздік 5 нокаутымен аяқтаймыз. Бар жоғы 2012 жылдың 2-ші аптасында жаңа туған жұлдыз Эдсон Барбоза өз отаны Бразилияда жекпе-жектің 3-ші раундта жыл нокаутын еңсерді.
Adam must be thinking, Mike, that he's got to be behind in this fight.
Yes, I agree.
It really poses the question, what do you want to do? Do you want to take a chance and risk getting knocked out?
Oh my God! Wow!
Wow.
It is all over!
I couldn't have timed that word knockout any better.
Maybe the most spectacular knockout in UFC history.
There's that spinning wheel kick, heel to the jaw, and look at Terry Adam goes completely unconscious. That is about as out as you can get. Let's see it again. Boom. Just perfect wheel kick, heel to the jaw, and Adam is out before he ever hits the ground. No doubt, one of the most spectacular kick knockouts we've ever seen inside the octagon.
Edson Jr. Barbosa.
Андерсон Силва мен Виктор Белфорд 8 бұрышқа шыққанда жанкүйерлердің өздерін ұлы айқастың күтіп тұрғанын білді, бірақ олар бұл сәттің қаншалықты керемет екенін және аңызға айналатынын біле алмады.
Vitor looking for the big left hand.
Outstanding head movement by Anderson.
Like we said, second to none.
Oh! He front kicked him in the face!
Absolutely right. Trying to finish. It is all over.
Kick to the face!
Anderson Silva remains the middleweight champion.
Here we go. Let's take a look at it again. Wow. It's almost like Vitor expected it to go to the body. I mean, he saw it coming, he didn't even move. Right to the chin. Incredible. And that's just one of the things about Anderson. He's so unpredictable. He does such wild, unorthodox stuff. The front kick is classically a kick that's used to the body. When a guy gets hit in the face, usually it just knocks him backwards. But Anderson landed it perfectly. The ball of the foot to the chin.
Anderson, the Spider Silva.
Ауыр салмақта көтеріліп келе жатқан Фрэнсис Нгану мықты кикбоксшы Алистер Оверимге қарсы шыққанда жекпе-жектің тез аяқталатыны ғана белгілі болған еді.
Not a lot of people burning up Mick Maynard's phone to try to get a matchup with Ngannou. Down goes the Reem. Francis Ngannou has arrived.
Boom. And then boom. Let's take one more look at this left hook. I mean, just perfect on the chin and shut him completely off with one shot. That's how scary Francis Ngannou is. I mean, that's like a scene in a movie. Wow.
Absolutely incredible result for Ngannou against that man, the #1 ranked heavyweight contender, Alistair Overeem. Francis, the Predator Ngannou.
2013 жылға қарай Андерсон Силва қолына нокаут өзі түсетін, соққысы соншалықты мықты. Осы спорт түрінде ең басым чемпион болды. Жеңілмейтін Лонг-Айлендтік жауынгер аңызға қарсы айқасқан кезде белгілі шоуын айқастың ортасына қарай көрсете бастайтын Силваны қосқанда, оның жеңіске жету мүмкіндігінің бар екендігіне сенгендер аз еді. Бірақ Ведманның бұған өз жоспарлары болды.
Head kick.
Speed difference. Yeah. Wow, he tried a crescent kick on him.
Anderson. Oh my, he got hit. Looking to finish it. It is all over. Chris Weidman is the UFC middleweight champion.
My goodness. Oh my goodness.
He has done it.
Wow. You can't play games in the octagon. Here it is again, left hook, and he pretends to be hurt, but this one hurts. Boom, on the chin. Anderson's hurt, that one finishes him off, he's out cold. Look at that. There's something you didn't think you'd see. Chris Weidman just knocked Anderson Silva out cold. He got silly, he didn't respect his opponent, and he paid for it with his consciousness. Let's see it again. Boom, on the chin, caught him flat, both legs parallel, and he has no idea what's going on. He's reaching up for Herb Dean while Chris Weidman celebrates the fact that he is the new UFC champion. Look at this, left hook on the chin, the eyes roll back, and Anderson at this point, if he's aware, realizes he made a huge mistake. Out of all the crazy things we've seen inside the octagon, that might be the craziest.
I am still in shock and disbelief that it was ended by a knockout for Chris Weidman, who is the new UFC middleweight champion of the world. Anderson Silva got knocked out, and Chris Weidman leaves with the middleweight belt around his waist.
Айқасты көпшілікке танымал ететін іс-шаралар жүйесінде бір жылға жуық уақыт өткен соң, жеңіл салмақтағы чемпион Жозе Альдо мен уақытша чемпион Конор Макгрегор ақырында UFC 194 басты жекпе-жегінде соқтығысу үшін 8 бұрышқа шықты. Спортшылар арасындағы өшпес дұшпандық бұл күресті соңғы уақыттың ең көп қаралатын күресте қатарына шығарды. Бір чемпион бірінші соққыны тастаған кезде, екіншісі мінсіз қарсы шабуылды жүзеге асырып, осы процесі даусыз патша мәртебесіне көтерілді.
The most highly anticipated featherweight fight of all time.
Conor looks extremely loose, and Aldo looks like he's feeling the pressure of this moment.
Here we go! Green trunks for the southpaw, the notorious Conor McGregor. Black trunks for the champion, Jose Aldo Jr.
Conor relaxed and smiling. Oh! He slapped him!
Like that! Conor McGregor is the new UFC featherweight champion of the world!
Oh, unbelievable! Whoa. Oh my God! Unbelievable! The first punch he threw slept him.
Wow!
Well, we're gonna have to see that again. I think he went to throw a left and missed before that. So it might be the third punch he threw, but man. Let's see it again.
Boom!
Boom, it's a straight left, and Aldo connected with a left right afterwards, and he connected as he was getting knocked out. Look at that. Boom, and then hammer fist, out cold, and that's it. That's incredible. One more look at it. Boom, left hand, out cold, hammer fist. Incredible that he connected with a punch as his brain was shutting off. Let's look at it one more time. Straight left, and boom. Doesn't get any cleaner than that, ladies and gentlemen.
First time Jose Aldo has been knocked out.
Қарап шыққаныңыз үшін рахмет. Арнамызға жазылып, лайк қойыңыз. Және де келесі бейнені өткізіп алмас үшін қоңыраушаны басуды ұмытпаңыз. Келесі кездескенше.